Hello everyone, this is my review of the RYOBI ONE Lithium-Ion battery. This is a 18-volt battery. It's smaller than the 40-volt battery, but it's still a really good battery, very powerful, and it has indicator light on it. You just press this button so you can see if it's fully charged or how much charge is left on it. I'm going to stick it into the flashlight. And what I like about the batteries, they're interchangeable. So if you use the 40 volt or the 18 volt, it doesn't matter. You can use both of them the same. And I hope this review helps.